My name is Virat, and today we're making gingerbread man. So I'm a snowman, so we need chocolate, sugar, colors, baking powder, all-purpose flour, milk, butter, M&Ms, and sugar. And see friends, I add butter first. Then I added the milk. And then I'm add half of the sugar. We will whisk it. I'm gonna add 2 eggs into the mixture. All-purpose flour and put it into the strainer. Then take 1 tablespoon of salt and then put it in. And then take 1 cup of spoon of baking powder and then put it inside. Slowly pour this mixture into the flour. Friends, now it's time to add the color! And see the colorful dough. Now we're gonna roll it with the rolling pin. Now we're gonna make a gingerbread man's shapes. Now put it first. Friends, these are the chocolate chips for gingerbread man's eyes. This is my gingerbread man. The baby's gingerbread man in the oven. Very cute. Look at my baked gingerbread.